guys, welcome back to our channel.
How's it going?
Today we're doing something a little bit different. We have partnered with TRANE and we are going to show you how to change your furnace filter and why changing your furnace filter is such an important part of ongoing home maintenance. We were so excited when TRANE reached out to us because they're such a well-respected company. They've been around for over 100 years, which is crazy.
It's a long time.
They've got tons of products from HVAC systems to air filters to thermostats, and we love all their products. So we're going to get into showing you how to change the furnace filter, so let's get to it.
All right, let's get started.
All right, step one, turn off your furnace. Okay, for your second step, you're just going to want to take out the old furnace filter. Okay, so now we have our new TRANE filter. You want to make sure that you have the right size for your furnace. Ours happens to be a 16 by 25 by 1, but they come in all different shapes and sizes. So it is recommended that you change your furnace filter once every 3 months. One way to remember to do that is to write the date right on the furnace filter itself. Here, TRANE makes it easy. They leave a space for you to do just that. It's important that you put your furnace filter in the right direction. Every furnace filter will have an arrow on it, and you want to point that arrow towards the motor. So once you're sure that that is lined up, you can go ahead and put your new filter in. Another tip that we have for you is to just draw directly onto your ductwork, an arrow pointing towards the motor, and then next time you change the filter, you can just line those arrows up. All right, all that's left is to put your cover back on and turn your furnace back on. And since it is so important that you change your furnace filter every 3 months, our final tip is to set a reminder on your phone.
Did you set your reminder?
I sure did. Did you set your reminder to remind me?
I did, yes.
Perfect. So why is changing your furnace filter regularly so important?
Well, there's 2 big reasons. First reason, healthy air. These furnace filters are going to block out a lot of the dust, the lint, the pollen, the mold spores, and most importantly with this guy, he doesn't know it yet, but he has a bit of a dander problem.
Oh.
So it's going to block out all the pet dander. So now each of these furnace filters is going to have a MERV rating, which stands for Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value. So you'll take a look at those on the furnace filter themselves, and the higher the rating, the more of that stuff it's going to block out.
The second good reason? Lower energy bills. When your furnace filter is clogged, the furnace has to work harder, meaning more energy and higher bills. And no one wants that.
Third big reason also comes back to money. If you don't change your furnace filter regularly, it's going to lead to a lot more clogging, which puts a lot more pressure on your furnace, and it can lead to overheating, thus reducing the lifespan of your furnace. And if that happens, you're going to end up needing to replace it, and that is a big ticket item.
Alright guys, that is all for us. Thank you so much for watching. Click the link in the video description for all things TRANE related. And be sure to click the like and subscribe button if you want to leave some comments talking about furnaces, filters, how often you change your filters. Go nuts. Thanks for tuning in.
See you next time.